Welcome to WebStylePress. How to add Tailwind CSS to the HTML. I will share two ways to do that. First method is by using CDN. It's quick and easy. Second method requires Node and NPM. Let's start with this simple method. This is HTML page with some elements containing Tailwind CSS classes. And this is the output. Styling will be reflected once Tailwind CSS will be applied to this HTML. So in the head section, link Tailwind CSS by using its CDN. We have used script tag for that. It's mentioned in the Tailwind CSS docs as well. And now the elements are reflecting styling from Tailwind CSS. This is one way to implement Tailwind CSS to the HTML. This is working, but you might wonder why not link tag? Why script tag was used here to include Tailwind CSS in HTML? This is because script dynamically generates and applies the Tailwind CSS styles at runtime. This script enables us to configure Tailwind CSS directly in the browser using JavaScript. You can define custom settings, extend the Tailwind theme, or enable specific plugins without needing to precompile CSS. For example, below Tailwind CSS CDN, we can configure Tailwind CSS like this. We have added a custom color, and then we can use this custom color in the HTML. Like this, instead of this text dash this color code, we can use text dash Clifford, and the color here changed. Or we can do something like bg dash Clifford for the button, and the color here changed. This is not possible if you use CDN link by using link tag in a head section of HTML. Script make it possible. Script makes Tailwind CSS CDN flexible and extendable. Okay, this is a quick way to implement Tailwind CSS in HTML. What if you're using a build tool like Webpack or Vite? In that case, you need a different setup. I will build the setup from start. Let's close this. Tailwind CSS docs has also got these instructions. Here, Tailwind CLI. You need to have Node.js installed in order to make it work. So open terminal in the project folder, create package.json file by using this command, npm init. Use enter for default values. Next, install Tailwind CSS as project dependency by using this command, npm install -d Tailwind CSS. And Tailwind was installed here, and node modules folder appeared here. Next, create Tailwind config file by using this command, npx Tailwind CSS init. And you see this file appeared here, tailwind.config.js. Open Tailwind config file and use this code provided by the Tailwind CSS docs. In this file, we are providing the path for the main file that will be executed, like index.html or index.js. And it is in the src directory. So let's create that index.html file. First, create src folder. Inside src folder, create new file, index.html. And here is HTML code. We have linked style.css here. That will be changed in a minute. We can also create dist folder and keep the HTML file there instead. In the project folder, this is our dist folder. Let's move this index.html file in dist folder, because this is actually a cleaner way to do it. Now change Tailwind config file to adjust HTML file path. So now it's in dist folder instead of src, and we don't need this now. So updated path is this now. Let's create input.css file in the src folder. Inside this file, add these Tailwind directives. Next, use this command to compile output.css in dist folder. But change this path. Instead of src, use dist, because we want to output CSS file in dist folder. Hit enter, and as you can see, output.css was generated here with all the Tailwind CSS code. Now we can change this name style.css to output.css. To view this page, we can use a VS Code extension, Live Server. This extension. Then we can right click this index.html file and select Open with Live Server. And as you can see, Tailwind CSS has been applied. Now the HTML page will reflect the Tailwind CSS styling. Okay, now you can stop watching input.css. Stop this service because our HTML page is using output.css that has all the Tailwind CSS code. In case you need to update Tailwind CSS at any point, then you need new CSS output file. You can update Tailwind CSS from npm and rerun that command, or better create a script in package.json file here, like this. And inside that, we will use this command. But we will remove npx because now this script will use npm. So now if you need fresh output from Tailwind CSS, you can do something like this. npm run dev. And it will generate fresh Tailwind CSS output file. Once the output is there, stop the script and start working in HTML file to use Tailwind CSS. You can also change output CSS name to style.css file now. Like here, style.css as output. We can remove this. And we can change the file name here as well, style.css. Now we can rerun this script, npm run dev. That will generate style.css file that is linked in our HTML page that will serve Tailwind CSS style in our project. And don't forget to stop this service because now we have got style.css file and it's got all the Tailwind CSS code. You need to run this script only when you will update this file, Tailwind CSS file. And we don't need this test script here. And these are two ways to use Tailwind CSS in your project in HTML. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.